I'm Suprava Patnaik. I have the administration responsibility as the Dean of the school. Under the B.Tech degree, we have various specializations. So currently we are offering B.Tech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, B.Tech in Electronics and Electrical Engineering. Then we have B.Tech in VLSI Design and Technology, which is a course offered started from this year. And then we are having a course on Electronics and Computer Science. So in M.Tech, we offer specialization in Communication System Engineering, VLSI and Embedded Design. And from this year, we are starting 2 new M.Tech programs co-branded with the industries. The first one is the Automotive Electronics and Software. It is co-branded and along with the KIIT. Next, we are having the next generation communication technology along with Ericsson. So the admission process for these 2 co-branded M.Tech programs will start from this year. And PhD, we offer PhD in various specializations related to electronics.